So my Pittsburgh roofing was recommended by my former roommate. He was just really satisfied with the work they did. This was a great reference. My name is Christopher James and I live in Overbrook, that is Brookline area. We needed to replace the guttering. I think the water was flowing behind the guttering, which caused some staining, and it was creeping into our foundation. So that needed to be replaced. So as you can see, there's some staining behind the guttering, and that is because the old work, when rain fall, it was just going behind it. So new guttering was replaced so that it will actually flow correctly and not sort of fall by our foundation here. The whole process was very smooth. Once he was done, he let me know, and that was it. It was very easy. So it was definitely affordable for myself and my partner. Personally, I just love working with smaller companies. I mean, the intimacy that you get from local companies is just different personally for me than a bigger organization. Yeah, you all are the only roofing company that I'll be using. In my view, it was just amazing.
If this video was valuable for you and you like it, we have another video that we would suggest you to look right here. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.